Hey, good morning. We got an F-150 XLT. Got the V8 Triton in it. It's got low mileage on it. Mileage is, let's put the key in here and look. $126. Truck does have some rust. It's been a work truck, but for the low mileage, got some rust down here at the bottom. Some scratches on it, but for a working man's truck, 4-wheel drive, not a bad truck. Walk around, got a receiver and hitch in the back, got a towing kit on the back. Just kind of give you a walk around. There's some scratch marks up here on the side. I don't know if you can see them or not. And there's some more rust down at the bottom. Just want you to know about it. But not a bad looking truck. Not a bad looking truck at all. Come on down here to see us at Williams Motor Company, Wingo, Kentucky. Got a lot full, and love to see you. Come on down.